Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, May 30, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, May 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong May 30, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, May 30, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 19 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 32 million pesos for May 30, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, May 30, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.